In this lecture, we will be customizing our home page. As you can see, there are many problems in the home page. For example, you can see a left sidebar which we don't require. We also can see that the revolutional slider has some errors. There are 2 to 3 revolution sliders that have been added. For example, these were 3, and also you can see there are some errors like ND booking search and ND booking rooms, and there are many problems. So let's try to start and fix our home page. So click on edit page. Now change the template from default to a slider revolution blank template and update it. Once you do it, the left sidebar will be gone. Okay, so the left sidebar is no longer available, and now let's try to add the slider revolutions. So in this error you can see the home one is not found. So let's add it. All the sliders are available in the demo data. So let's import it. Now if you see, when we click on import, we also get sliders. So let's import one by one. First import one. It may take some time. Once it's done, you can see the home one is done. Let's refresh it once. Okay, you can see the slider has been added here. Now let's add other sliders like home 1 section 1 and home 1 section 2. Import, choose file, section 1, import. And finally the section 2. Let's import again, and home 1 section 2, import. Now let's refresh it once. So we can see the slider 1 has been added, section 1 and section 2 has been added. So our slider revolution has no errors now. Now let's see what is this type of error. ND booking search and ND booking rooms. So it's very easy to fix. Navigate to booking settings. Now click on add-ons manager, and now let's select all of the add-ons. Save it and refresh once. Now the problems have been fixed and we have the booking functionality. See, we were unable to use them, but it's now available. So in the next video I will be showing you how to create pages.